Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video, we will talk about the various steps of Starlink Gen 3 installation process that make your setup process easier and faster. Starlink is a satellite internet constellation project developed by SpaceX, aimed at providing high-speed, low-latency internet access across the globe, particularly in remote and underserved areas where traditional internet infrastructure is lacking or insufficient. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. The kit typically includes the satellite dish, Dishimic flatface, mounting tripod or stand, a Wi-Fi router, power cables, and an Ethernet cable. So let's start the setup process. Firstly, open the box and remove all components. Ensure you have all the necessary components: the satellite dish, mounting hardware, Wi-Fi router, power supply unit, and the required cables. Select a location with a clear and unobstructed view of the sky. The satellite dish requires a clear line of sight to the sky to connect with Starlink's satellites. Decide if you will use the included tripod for a ground setup or mount the dish on the roof or another elevated spot. Ensure the chosen location is stable and secure. Attach the satellite dish to the tripod or mount, ensuring it is firmly secured and has a clear view of the sky. Connect the included cable from the satellite dish to the Starlink Wi-Fi router. This cable provides power and data connectivity to the dish. Place the Starlink Wi-Fi router in a central location in your home for optimal Wi-Fi coverage. Plug the power supply into an electrical outlet and connect it to the router. Once powered on, the satellite dish will automatically align itself and begin searching for satellites. This process may take several minutes. Download the Starlink app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. The app will guide you through the setup process and help you optimize the installation. Open the Starlink app and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. The app will run diagnostics to ensure the dish has a clear view of the sky and is properly connected to the internet. If the app indicates that the dish is not in an optimal position, adjust its placement to improve signal strength and connectivity. Now setup is complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support.